Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you one of the best AI tools out there for image generation. So the name of this website is Leonardo AI and really I like how the website looks. Like look at how good the website has been created using coding. Like look at this. This looks really amazing. Like the website is almost perfect. Like, look at this. It must have taken more than 100 hours to make this website. Like, that amazing. It looks beautiful. So, today's video is going to be about Leonardo's AI's best AI tool, which is image generation. So, let's go and create. And you can see there are a lot of tools here. You can use AI image generator, which is I'm going to show you today. Then you can also use creative ideation, explore visual ideas and directions. Then you can also use a background remover if you want it to remove and replace image backgrounds. Then you can also train your own model, which is amazing. Like you can train custom models for consistency, for character and image consistency. Then you have the AI video generator, which is available on any other AI platform or website too. Then you can also use an image upscaler if you want to change and upgrade the resolution of the image to a better one. And you can also use its editing studio, which is the image editor right here. So today's video is going to be about, as I said already, image generation, because Leonardo AI is like the best AI tool out there for generating images. It is like it has the state of the art AI models for image generation. So let's click on generate AI image, and bear in mind we'll be using a free trial version over here where we get 150 free credits monthly. So let's sign in first. I'll use Google to sign in and then we can start it. Okay, so this is how the interface looks like where you can create images. Let's go. And on the left side, you can see there are a lot of tools. You can see your library here where you have created all your images. Then you can also click on this to create images, as you can see over here. Then you can click on this to create video or video generation. Type your prompt, customize the settings, and then there are blueprints, which is something new, made like ready-made AI templates for you. Then image upscaler is also over here where you can upscale images. And then flow state plans as in the pricing plans. We are using the free one, as I already told you. You get 150 fast tokens daily for quick creations. So that's good. That is really good. So we get some free credits to work on. And then there are settings, and here here you can see the tokens, and there are a lot of more things. You can just figure it out yourself. Today I'll be showing you how to create images over here. Yeah, you can select the model specifically if you want it. You can select whichever model which is over here, which is present. There are a lot of state of the art model available on Leonardo AI, such as Nano Banana, Seed Dream, Lucid Origin, Flux, and many much more. You can select whichever you want, or else you can just keep it as auto and it will select the best AI model for your image. Okay, let's select a style too if you want to. I'll go with creative, so the style is a bit creative for the image. And we can also change the aspect ratio. 1:1 is like the square image. 16:9 is the full screen aspect ratio, which is like 920 into 1080, which is a full video kind of a full image. And I'll just keep it 1:1, which is a square image itself. I'll just keep the generation to 1, because we can't use 2 or 3 because it comes with premium plans. While we are on free version, you can only use one number of generations. Now let's give it a prompt that So here's the prompt. An ancient dragon made entirely of obsidian glass sleeping up atop of a mountain of shattered mirrors, reflecting a violet aurora borealis. Digital art, epic fantasy, cinematic lighting. Let's click on generate. So, wow, look at this. The image looks so amazing. Like, wow, like, look at this. The detail in the image is amazing. That's why I said Leonardo AI is the best tool out there for image generation. It knows what it does and it does its job perfectly. Like, wow, look at this. It's so amazing. So it used nano banana model, which sounds okay, it's pretty good. It was able to recognize which model works best for this prompt and used it. Yeah, and it looks perfect. It looks amazing. If you want to check out your projects or images you have created, you can just go into library and then check it out again over here. Let's create another image as we still have tokens, like a few tokens left. So, yep. Okay, now we need to change the settings a bit because I'm giving a prompt for a photorealistic image, like a person with a lot of realism in the image. So let's give it a style of maybe portrait if it's or stock photo. I don't know which I should select. I'll go with stock. I'll go with stock photo. Let's see how it does in this style because we have given a prompt for photorealism. Now let's click on generate. The prompt is a weathered fishman in his 70s, wrinkled face, glistening with sea spray, standing on a foggy dock at golden hour. Ultra photorealistic Nikon D850, which is the name of the camera, with 85 portrait lens, bokeh background. Now let's see how it does. Let's click on generate. Wow, it looks amazing. Like look at this. It's really a image with a bit of realism in it. You can also see the wrinkles on its face. You can see how realistic this photo looks. Wow, it's amazing. So that's why I said Leonardo AI is the best AI out there for image generation. You get a lot of free credits to work on. I've done two image creations and still I've left around 134 free tokens. So that's what I want to say. If you want to use this AI tool for free, this AI website for free, you can use this completely on your preference. You can use and create a lot of images, videos with this tokens over here. So what I mean to say is the tokens over here are sufficient. You can make a lot of creations for free and you can do this daily. So yeah, I feel like this is an amazing website. It gives you enough free tokens and it uses state of the art image models and video models. I'll just create one more last image. Let's give it a kind of a, like a fantasy kind of a style. Let's give it vibrant something. Let's go with full screen image 16 is to 9. So here's the sci-fi kind of an image prompt: a neon light Tokyo street in 2087 during heavy rain, holographic advertisements reflecting off wet asphalt, a lone samurai in cyberpunk armor, cinematic wide shot, Blade Runner aesthetic. Let's change the style to cinematic and let's see how it does. Let's click on generate. Damn, look at this. It looks amazing. Wow, it is cinematic. You can see the samurai standing over here. There are neon lights, cyberpunk kind of a style. Yeah, it looks amazing. Wow. It does its job very, very well. So yeah, this is how Leonardo AI works. You can go on the left side, use whatever you want. If you want to do image generation, click on here image, and then you can generate images over here. If you want to generate videos, you have to click on video on this left side, and then you can create videos completely for free based on the credits you have. So yeah, this is how Leonardo AI works. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot.